Hi YouTubers, we're at Rushden Lakes, which is a new shopping complex. I know we can see that the shops are there and restaurants, and canoe too. Looks like you can hire a canoe from here and go canoeing around the lakes. Not sure. The sun's directly behind me, so it's difficult for me to film any of the shops and things, but just been in Bewitched, I think it's called, and we just had a coffee and a sausage roll. Just standing on the boardwalk at the moment, and they've got some of these wicker sculptures. There's one there, it's in the shade and it's like a hare. This is a visitor centre. And this is a swan, I think it is. That's Bewitched coffee shop we've just been in. This is a car park. It looks a bit like Milton Keynes to me. But, just going to find Jane now. Another picture of the swan made of wicker. Okay, we've been shopping with all these fancy shops at there's nothing we've found Nen wetland, so we kept walking around, and to be honest I hate the place. Teasels, yeah. Rushden Lakes shopping. The nature reserve looks good, but the shops ridiculous. Couldn't get anything we wanted from any of the shops we went round. Oh yeah, you got a new hat and two hats and a pair of shoes, boots, and the intention was to get some bath stuff, gee ice, for my mother for Christmas, and we couldn't find any. It's all shower stuff. What's this? It's pike. Yeah, you like that? Yeah. Yeah. There's an owl carved in that tree. It's nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice woodland. What's this, a beaver? Water vole.
Yeah.
Water vole. Yeah. You should put your hat on that. It's got a toe. Oh, so he's nicked its toe.
Yeah, it's there.
Oh yeah.
It's just come out the water.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Can I borrow your hat? Your new hat. Canoes? Yeah. Hello, duckies. There's quite a bit of reflection off the water, but if you've never seen the swan's bottom before, there's one. Look, there's an old bat.
Yeah.
No, there I meant. Look, not see it. Hanging from a tree. Look, yeah. Look, some closer look. Hello, old bat. Ow! An otter. Oh yes, a friendly otter. Hello, otter. There we go. That's better. It looks better to my hat. Hello. It's a good path.
Yeah.
And it's not muddy.
And it's sheltered, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sheltered,
You see the water, but you're not being blown off your feet.
Just blinded by the sun. The sun's so low. Almost back at the shops. God, it's the sun again. just seen another heron, and I've seen a big kingfisher. Look at this one. Look at that. That's. You know why that one's so fat? It's because of the pizza places over there. And there's the shops. What does it say there?
It's all gravel quarries.
Gravel pits.
Yeah.
Gravel quarries. Yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't think that all the shops are there, would you? Got this nature reserve. I think I found Nessie. There's Nessie. Look at her. That's Nessie. That looks like Nessie to me. Come on, we need your picture. Come on, let's walk this way. Go on, sit in the sun. It's your birthday today. There we go.
Oh yeah. That's Susie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Your new hat looks like a toilet brush. Happy birthday to you. Is there room for me? Can we both get in here? Oh, I can't see a damn thing. The sun's in my face. Crazy. Right.